All right, so to follow up from a different scale that I was just talking about, some people ask, when should I see a functional medicine doctor? And I'm going to give you my viewpoint on this because in functional medicine, because I run so many labs and I look so deeply, sometimes there's a lot of things you could be doing before you even reach out to someone like myself to really uncover what's really going on with your health. So let's say you're eating like the worst junk food ever, okay? And that's this part of the scale. And let's say you're one of my patients and you're eating a lot cleaner, you're eating healthier, taking supplements, and you're seeing your body change. So if you're eating like really bad food, then obviously it's probably smart right now to get on a good diet. Eat a lot of natural things, eat healthier, right? Than obviously junk food and soft drinks and alcohol, whatever. And then if you get to a point where you're now prescribed medication and you try to like get yourself better and it's not working, then you should probably reach out to someone who's really going to look at a lot of labs, really figure out what's going on to get you the best outcome and results. All right. So that's kind of your scale. Hopefully that helps you know when you should reach out to somebody.